everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm excited to introduce you to a powerful new AI video generator called Pixverse. With Pixverse, creating high-quality videos has never been easier. You can generate amazing visuals simply by entering text, uploading images, or even using your own custom characters. Let's dive right in. First things first, sign up with your credentials and you'll land on the Pixverse homepage. From there, head over to the Create tab, where all the magic happens. Here, you can either type in a text prompt, upload an image, or do both. For this demo, I'll be entering a text prompt to show you how simple it is. Now, an important thing to remember is the video duration. Pixverse gives you control over how long each video clip is, but keep an eye on your credits, as longer clips use them up quickly. I'll go with a 5-second clip to keep things efficient. Next, you can select HD or SD quality, choose your preferred aspect ratio, and set the motion mode to normal for the best balance between quality and performance. And yes, you can add characters too. Just drag them in to make your video even more engaging. Plus, there's an option for a negative prompt, which lets you refine the AI output by specifying things to exclude. Once everything is set, hit Create and watch Pixverse work its magic. This tool is impressively fast, especially compared to other video generators out there. One more cool feature I have to show you is the effects section. Have you seen those viral videos where objects transform into Venom? Pixverse lets you do exactly that. Just go to the Effects tab, pick your desired effect, upload an image, and watch it transform Venom style. It's pretty awesome, right? And that's a wrap for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this demo. And as always, I'd love to hear from you. Let's chat in the comments below.